How surprised would you be, Kusha, if I tell you,
You'll be my god. Like, no.
damn?
What?
How did you do that?
And we're gonna end the stream with me trying to get into your minds. Let's try and do
Helmet
that.
डालो.
Helmet नहीं डाल. What?
अरे वो फिर अंदर नहीं जा पाएंगे ना मैग्नीटो वाला हेलमेट. आई मीन
So, Kusha, are you a reader? Do you read books? Zoraba, do you read books?
बताओ जरा. No, I'm not a reader.
neither.
I was a reader up till like 2 years ago. Now
But
I'm
I
not.
gifted Kusha a Kindle which she only used till the time it was charged. उसके बाद चार्जर घूम गया and she's not used it at all.
I think that's a lot of Kindle stories. उसमें कुशा की गलती नहीं, वो Kindle की गलती है. I think Kindle की नियत ही बुरी है. सबके साथ ऐसा ही होता है. Because मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. Okay, so in that case, do you have any book or a magazine or a newspaper around you right now?
Yes.
Yeah. You
We
want to
do.
get it?
Just get anything. A book would be
Zara,
great.
please get a nice book. Don't get like a lame book now.
What would be a lame book, Kusha? Please tell me. No, what would be a lame book? I really want to know.
There will be a lame book.
Guys, they just left me. They just left me.
Get a nice book.
Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this with both of you. I'm gonna try and do this with both of you. Zobar, can you open the book to any page you want? Don't tell anything. Just open to any page you want. Don't tell the page number. Just open to any page. Are you
Okay.
happy with that page?
I guess yes. Yeah.
Okay, remember the page number. Kusha, can you take the book in your hand? Okay, now there must be a lot of words, different paragraphs. Can you tell me approximately how many words would be there?
250.
I think about. Yeah, I know.
Okay, look into the page and think of any word in your mind from that page. It could be, okay, it can be any word, a word you resonate with or you like. Don't choose and, the, of, or any of those kind of words. Don't use any of those.
Okay.
But a good word.
Okay.
Do you have it in your... Don't tell Zoravar also. Just keep it in your mind.
Okay.
You have it clearly in your mind?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just keep the book down or put it away? Do you have the word clearly in your mind?
Yes.
Think about that word. Okay. I like how you're literally directly looking into the camera and looking at this screen, and I really like that. You're very, very expressive. Imagine this word like is written on this screen that you're looking at. Imagine that word is popping up on there, and count the number of letters in this word. Okay. I've written down something. You have to make sure that this entire wallet doesn't go out of the frame at all. Okay? It just stays here and I'm going to hold it right here. It goes nowhere. Now, simple thing. There were 250 words on there. It could have been any word you could have chosen. Why did you choose the word that you really chose?
Yeah, I really resonate with that word. Like, if somebody, I feel like that word is used a lot in my life.
Okay, great. And Zoravar, you opened the book to a specific page number. I see you were just referring to the pages. You didn't really go to a specific number, correct?
Yeah.
Can you pick up the book and tell me how many pages were there in that book?
$214,
And what is the page number you stopped at?
$128.
128. Correct. It had around more than 200 pages. You stopped at 128. It could have been any page number.
Mhm.
I'm just trying to think of the probability. The number of words in this book, you stopping at one page, around 250 words in that one page, and Kusha choosing that one word. Kusha, for the first time, I have written it down. I can't change it. It's in here. For the first time to the chat and everybody, what is the word you are thinking of?
Amuse.
Amuse. Correct? I also feel that, of course, you resonate with this word, you like this word, and only you knew this word, right? Nobody else. You didn't even tell it to Zoravar. Nobody knew it.
No.
There's something I have written over here from the start. I'm
Yeah.
gonna open it up. Right over here. I've written something. How surprised would you be, Kusha, if I tell you that I knew it?
You will be my god. Like no.
Damn. Oh, that's
No,
good.
seriously. I get this is insane.
Amused.
What? What? How did you do that? Oh my god. This is insane.
There were more than 200 pages in that book. Zorawar, you stopped at 128.
What?
This is insane. Okay,
Right.
I was looking most forward to this, and this is so good.
Yes, I mean, मैं पहले कहता हेलमेट डाल के बैठते हैं. कभी कभी जीते.
Wow.
He's inside our head.
So, this is insane. This
Thank you
is
so
insane.
much.
Like,
Thanks.
this is so oh my god, this is insane. I mean to get the word, but to also get the
The page number,
It's wow.
Hey guys, I hope you liked the video and if you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also, अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर दो यार. We are on our way to 500k subscribers. Let's make that happen very soon. And follow me on Instagram for daily updates. I'll see you in the next video.